Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. So the reset rule, what is it? Well, even when everything's going right, life still happens. Plans change, motivation dips, and suddenly you feel off track. But that's okay, because success isn't about never failing. It's about how fast you reset. I'll call that the reset rule. And that is reflect, refocus, and reignite. So reflect on what happened without judgment, refocus on what truly matters, and then reignite with clearer energy and stronger intent. Every setback has a clue hidden deep within inside it. That success leaves clues. The faster you reset, the faster you rise. So don't get stuck in the fall. Use it as your fuel. Reset, rise, repeat. And as always, stay awesome. Take care.